Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by mountains, there lived a 24-year-old young man named Marco. Marco was very restless. His mind was always full of thoughts and all day long. He felt sad about his past and worried about his future. Because of this, his mind felt like a storm. He couldn't feel calm, he couldn't sleep well. He even forgot how to smile. One day, Marco heard about a faraway village in the hills. People said a wise old man lived there, a former psychologist who had helped many people find peace. Now he lived a quiet life close to nature and sometimes gave advice to visitors. Marco felt hopeful and thought, maybe this wise man can help me find peace. So he decided to go and meet him. After many days of a long and tiring journey, Marco finally reached the hill village. He saw a small house covered with greenery. On the porch, the old man was sitting peacefully with his eyes closed. Marco walked closer and softly said, "Grandfather, my mind is very restless. I want peace. Can you help me?" The old man opened his eyes and smiled calmly. The old man replied, "If you want peace, you must complete a small task." He filled a glass with water to the very top. The water was so full that even a small shake could spill it. He gave the glass to Marco and said, "Walk to the edge of the village and come back. But don't let even one drop fall." Marco accepted the challenge. Marco walked slowly through the village. The road was busy. Children played, dogs barked, shopkeepers shouted, but Marco didn't look around. His eyes stayed only on the glass. His attention was fully on the water. He walked carefully, step by step, not thinking of anything else. Finally, he returned. Marco said proudly, "Grandfather, I did it. I didn't spill even one drop." The old man smiled and asked, "Did you see the children playing? Did you hear the dogs barking?" Marco replied, surprised, "No, grandfather. I only focused on the glass." The old man nodded calmly. He said gently, "That was the secret. When your mind stays in the present moment, there is no space for fear, confusion, or painful thoughts. You were not thinking of the past and you were not afraid of the future. You were fully present. Peace is not outside you. It is already inside you." Marco finally understood. He bowed his head and said softly, "Now I know. To calm my mind, I must stay in the present moment. That is where real peace lives." The sun was setting. Birds were flying back to their nests. Marco returned home, not as a restless man, but as a peaceful one. If you like this story, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories. Until next time, stay well and stay peaceful.